Hey guys, so today I'm showing you how I make my stewed pork, so keep watching if you'd like to see how I prepare this meal. Alright you guys, so I'm starting by, the first thing I did was I seasoned my pork overnight and let it marinate overnight. Okay, so I'll show you the seasonings I use to season my pork, and the best cut of pork to use to make stewed pork is any fatty part of the pork. So like pork shoulder is perfect for this recipe. Alright, and to season it I'm using green seasoning, and I also use onion powder, garlic powder, salt, black pepper, ground coriander, a little bit of ground cloves, not too much at all, and a little bit of ground cinnamon, don't add too much, and paprika. Okay, so use all of the seasonings I showed you here, season the pork really well and marinate it overnight. Also, I will list a link down below in the description box for my green seasoning recipe that I use. Alright, it basically has onion, garlic, parsley, cilantro. I put ginger in this one also, and pimento peppers, all of that good seasonings blended together and then I marinate my meat with it. Alright, so now I'm gonna start cooking the pork. So in a hot pot I added just a little bit of oil and then some brown sugar. You could also use white sugar, and then I'm gonna mix the brown sugar in with the oil, and then now I'm just gonna let it caramelize. So I want it to caramelize and get to a really dark brown color. So this right here is starting to melt and caramelize, but I want it to get an even darker brown color. So it's going to start kind of bubbling a little, and then once it turns the dark brown color, I'm going to cover the pot and add in a little bit of water. Not too much water, just a little bit. And once the pot sizzles down a little, I'm going to uncover the pot, give it a quick mix, and then I'm gonna add in the pork. So I forgot to mention, I bought the pork from my supermarket. It came already cut into smaller pieces, but if you can't find that in your supermarket, you buy the pork shoulder and you could have your butcher chop it into smaller pieces. Alright, so once I add in the pork, I'm going to mix it a little bit with the browning in the pot. Just give it a good mix and then cover it and let it cook for about 10 minutes. Okay, so now I'm going to add a little bit of ketchup into the pork, and I'm also going to add 1 beef bouillon cube. Okay, so I'm just going to crumble that into the pot, and I'm also going to add some more water into the pot so the pork can cook. So add it in the water and then just give all of that a good mix. And next I'm gonna add in some fresh thyme, some minced garlic, and pimento peppers. You could also add onion. So sometimes I like to add these ingredients in the marinade when I'm marinating my pork in the beginning, but you could also add it now because the green seasoning have all of these ingredients already, so you really don't have to add it to the marinade. But either you could add it then, or you could add it while the pork is cooking. Alright, and once I add in my seasonings, now's a good time to taste the sauce in the pot and see if you need to adjust the salt or black pepper or any other seasonings in the dish. Okay, and you're basically gonna give that a good stir and let the pork cook for about an hour and a half until it's nice and tender and soft. Okay, and about 30 minutes before the pork is finished cooking, I add in some sliced carrots and let it cook with the pork, and that's about it, you guys. Right here my pork is finished cooking, but I didn't have enough sauce in the pot, so I added a little bit more water, and I'm gonna let it cook for about 3 to 5 more minutes. And that was a good time for me to start adding in my freshly chopped cilantro also. And my pork is finished cooking, you guys. That's it. Pretty simple and absolutely delicious. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I hope you give the recipe a try. If you do, let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoy watching my videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.